Good morning. Good morning. Who popped out? Oh, it's Jazz. Jazz popped out. Yeah. Good morning. Yes, let me out, let me out. I'm coming. I'm coming. Here we go. Up and over. Up and over. Up and over. You're all right. You're all right. Gonna help me clean? You guys gonna help me clean? What helpers? Why is it getting so big? Oh, they're visiting with Handsome. Poor Handsome is quarantined. 3 females and he can't play with any of them. Exploring. Getting big, 5 weeks old. Kisses. There's Jazz way down there. There's Beaumont. Beaumont makes sure he gets all the food he wants. He's the biggest one in the litter. Oh, Beau. Yeah. Oh, you trying to kiss Handsome, huh? These girls will play with you, Handsome. These girls will play with you. A little too young, huh? Yeah. Oh, my. Checking out the back. Looking for food. He knows it's got to be here somewhere. Oh, oh, Beau. Oh, Beau. Oh, Beau. Yeah. Yeah. Boink, boink, boink. Boink, boink, boink. Pretty puppies. Pretty, pretty puppies. There's Jazz. Hi, Jazz. See, she's not calm and quiet now. You gonna climb me? Are you guys gonna climb me? Thanks for biting my leg. That's an attractive feeling. Thank you. Oh, and chewing shoelaces already. Ooh, pre-trained. They're pre-trained. Are you guys hungry? Come on. Yes, I figured Beaumont would be here. Yes, I did. Hi, big boy. Hi. Look at little Jazz. Let me see if I can get your face. Oop. Hi. Oh, my goodness. Oh, my goodness. Look at these pretty puppies. Look at these pretty, pretty puppies. Yes, he sees the food. All right, there you go. Boink. Uh-huh. Score. Food and water. Score. You going in? And in she goes. Boink. Food and water. Hey, Jazz. Is it your turn? And in she goes. Boink. Food and water. Food and water. You two aren't hungry, huh? Look at those 3. The other 2 are just going to chew each other. Amy, this is your pretty girl. This is your pretty girl. Yeah. Yeah. Pretty baby. Oh, snuggle girl. What a snuggle girl. Oh. You need a pretty snuggly name. Yes, you do. A ladylike name. Yes. Pretty girl. Guys want to go in? You girls want to go in?